Welcome back to the channel. I am standing in front of a GMC Sierra 2500 AT4, and the storage in these trucks, this and the Silverado, it leaves a lot to be desired. So today we are going to install a cheap solution from Tyger for underseat storage, so you can put all your junk under the seat and not leave it on the seat or in these doors. So join us. Good morning, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing a Tyger Underseat Storage container for both GMC and Sierra trucks. I believe this is on 1500 and 2500, right? It's the same cab. So I'll put some details right here of what it's compatible with, because you know, it's American vehicle, they're all kind of the same. It's the same body, same chassis. So I'll put a list of everything that this system is compatible with here. So this is the Tyger Underseat Storage. What did you get it for, price-wise?
I want to say it was like $130.
$130, and currently, as of this recording, I like to put it here in the recording so we can watch inflation do its funny thing and be more expensive by the time I actually post the video.
I actually bought it when I had the old truck. It's just been sitting.
So it's probably already gone up in price. Yeah. Step 1, remove all your crap. Step 2, take out the jack, take out the jack accessories. They should just spin and come right off. Jack accessories are removed. Jack is removed.
So it looks like a deep 8, 10.
Comes in a nice bag, and well, it looks pretty heavy duty. So it gives you more, deeper and longer space.
Yeah.
Like it looks double length. We'll put both of them.
We'll set them side by side. But
yeah. So this is a comparison with
like
stock on the left, Tyger on the right.
Here. Yeah. So that literally, here's the cutout here. So it was like 2 inches of storage in there. And then this.
35-45% more space
easily, and the depth. This is the only storage the truck has, which makes 0 sense to me. But it looks like this one screw here, that's like a fabric screw, and that does not go back on this side. So it looks like the only attachment points are these two, which are the ones that hold the jack, and then this one here, which slides through.
And it drops in like that.
They designed this so you don't have to cut the floor mat. So the main sitting point, this part which is against the floor, is like a ½ inch away from the floor mat.
Oh, so it sits right there on that.
It sits right on there, and you don't actually have to trim anything.
So here is one of the bolts here that we gotta just shift it. I don't think that goes back on anymore. It just doesn't fit.
So that's, I think, what the bolt's for.
Oh.
Thing is upside down, but it goes like this.
This is also the cheapest box available, and with that you're going to get little solutions like this to move a bolt over 1 inch. Use the adapter, you move it over 1 inch, then you can put your original bottle jack bolts back on, and that will secure the jack mount. Wow.
Now it sits off the ground. Alright, she's on there now, so if I remember right, I took it off like this.
And the bottle jack goes back on.
was a funny the bracket. If I remember right, my 22 had a bungee around it instead of this thing.
Now just the other
So all I
side.
gotta do is get that on, which is kind of pain for some reason.
So over here on this side, yeah, that thing just spins. To hold on your accessories. You get it exactly where you want it. And put the strap on. Lock it down.
Alright. Now,
And there's no bolt that replaces that screw bolt over there. And then that's the way it looks when it's down. So it's flush. Lots of storage underneath. Very simple solution from Tyger.
look at that. How everything fits in here.
Stuff that's been rolling around on his floor under the seat for a month or so. Just that you put in there,
So
filled up
from
the old storage.
Completely filling up the old storage to using a third of what's available now.
And that's how it looks underneath. You see the seat sits right above.
Yep.
And then further on down here, you can see that the storage bin hovers right above where the floor mat is. So you can still vacuum, you can still clean the floor mat, you can still get to underneath of there. But you get a lot more storage. So this is the Tyger Underseat Storage Box. And this is on a 2024 GMC Sierra. A little bit of a shorter video this week, but if you like this kind of content, we have more GMC Sierra videos coming, and a lot of this stuff will fit on a Silverado. I think it's 2020 and up, but I'll put the information here on the side as well, along with the link in the description below. If you like this kind of content, definitely consider subscribing below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them about the installation, parts, views, stuff like that. Just drop it down below, and we'll see you next time. Peace.